Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bee's Kitchen, I'm showing you how to make easy baked boneless chops. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off with 6 boneless 3-inch pork chops. Pat them dry very well with a paper towel. Next, we're gonna place them on a baking dish. Just like so, guys. Then season them with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. I would like to share with you guys a few tips that I use to make my pork chops tender and juicy. 30 minutes before you plan to cook chops, take the chops out of the fridge. The time out of the refrigerator lets you bring the meat to temperature. That way it helps the pork to cook more evenly throughout. Tip number 2, let baked chops rest. This is very crucial, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle olive oil over our pork chops. Just like so, guys. Make sure you coat both sides with the olive oil. I like to keep it simple when it comes to seasoning pork, but you can easily customize to your favorite spices and seasonings. Next, we are going to place a dollop of butter on each pork chop. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut garlic in half. Then we're gonna place the garlic along with the chops and bake them for 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. The chops are out of the oven. I serve these delicious, moist and juicy pork chops with steamed broccoli. Guys, you have to try this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.